Here is a tip for reducing email stress with Clean.email. Clean your inbox of emails you don't need. And then the part is keeping it clean. Now, there's a lot on the screen, but I'm going to just, if we can focus on the left side, see where it says here, smart folders. It puts everything in my email. I have Gmail here. In this case, this particular email that I'm using to clean up is my Gmail account, which a lot of us have. You can be another provider too. It doesn't have to be Gmail. And it puts these smart folders and it gives you your list of top senders. Goes down in categories. This one, I only have 100 to 500 of this other. So LinkedIn is basically between these three numbers using up most of my inbox. Of course, you might not have that, but you might have other email lists that you're on that can do that. And then I'm looking down here and it's got, 50 to, so these are the smaller ones with this, but look at all the number of my top senders and it categorizes. That's why I love the top senders, because that's my total, goes from top, the most messages, to the bottom, the least amount of messages. So kind of move with this. So it would help. It just feels so good. And I didn't clean this inbox for a reason. I did this with my Yahoo account. It works with Yahoo email. It works with Gmail. And I did it with my Yahoo account and I felt so much better when I got rid of, I saw thousands of messages, like that number go down by the thousands. And I didn't clean my Gmail just so I could leave it here and show you. And I use this as my demo.